Good afternoon, friends. I have gotten some mail today, some bookish mail. I've got a package to share. This is my Luxuread package. I joined this subscription at the start of the year, and I subscribe to a book every 3 months. And yeah, I thought, seeing as it came today, we could open it together. So let's have a look. So I have subscribed to the general fiction. You can choose what it is that you want to have in your book box each month, and you get given, oh, it smells nice in here, a little gift. Oh, and the gift is shampoo with a purpose. Volume shampoo. Oh, I don't need that. My hair's thick enough as it is. Combined shampoo and conditioner bar. Seaweed, rosemary, sage, and ginseng for Vava Voom. Oh, it smells amazing. Smells amazing. Let's open up the box. We all know I love my smell, so it's in the box there. Oh, and I love the fact with a box like this, there's no plastic packaging. That is really cool. This is palm oil free, vegan, eco-sustainable, cruelty free, Australian made, and plastic free. Oh, that is really cool. Okay, so that's a cool gift. Then I've got some tea from my favorite tea shop. So Essentia green tea, yummo. Now we get to this part, and I have the book underneath here. So let's have a look, see. Oh, I haven't seen this book before. Bethany Clift, and it's Last One in the Party, or At the Party. Interesting. Okay, so it says it's December 2023 and the world as we know it has ended. The human race has been wiped out by a virus called 6DM, 6 days maximum, the longest you've got before your body destroys itself. But somehow in London, one woman is still alive, a woman who has spent her whole life compromising what she wants, hiding how she feels, and desperately trying to fit in. A woman who is entirely unprepared to face the future on her own. Now, with only an abandoned golden retriever for company, oh, that's good company, she must travel through burning cities, avoiding rotting corpses and ravenous rats, on a final journey to discover if she really is the last surviving person on Earth. With no one else to live for, who will she become now she is completely alone? Wow! That is pretty cool. Worldwide supervirus. Who would have thought that would make a good story? Excellent. So that, I'm really happy with that. What a fun book. Cool. There we go. My shampoo, soap, my tea, and my book. And I am set. Yeah. All right, enough of that. I'm going to go and read.
Good morning. I am the only one awake, and I thought I'd come out here and do a bit of reading for my April reading goals. And I've started Flames, and this is quite the book. Very interesting. The writing style is spectacular. The story itself is strange. I don't know how else to put it, but how far in am I? I am only up to page 47, but it is quite a short book. So it's 226 pages, so it's only a short book. But yeah, it's an unusual story. It's kind of like magical realism. It's very strange and unusual, but the writing style is almost poetic. So I'm going to read a bit more of that. And then I will go and do my boring jobs like folding, washing, which is sitting across the room waiting for me. So I'll see you soon.
So it's been a minute since I spoke to you, and I thought I would just update you on how I'm going with my challenge so far. Now, this book I bought across from last month. I started it at the end of March, finished it, loved it. I'm definitely going to get into the series. Surprised me because I'm not really generally a fantasy reader, so that was surprising, but I really liked it. Then, this was my reading prompt for an Australian author or an author from your own country. And the writing in this is beautiful. So it's Flames by Robbie Arnott. The writing is beautiful. Very poetic prose. The story was a little bit, I don't know, it was a lot. I feel like it moved so fast that you didn't really have an emotional connection to anybody. But the writing itself made up for that. It was almost like reading poetry. It was just such a different book. So I enjoyed it. I read it really quickly. But yeah, I just don't know how to react to it. It was just such a strange book. Very strange. But anyway, so that one's done. And then this was my prompt for we're going on a holiday, or a holiday themed book. Now this is the Sanatorium. This was a thriller, and I did enjoy it. Actually, it was very interesting. There was a few things that I actually had to look up because I didn't know what they were. Like, I can't even remember what the name of the cart was now, but funicular. That's it, a funicular. I mean, I live in Queensland, in the Sunshine State. This is autumn and I still have a sheen of sweat. So cool doesn't happen here. So yeah, I had to actually look that up because I didn't know what it was. But if you don't know, it's actually like the tram type thing, I can assume, that goes up in the mountains to all these ski resorts, which I've never experienced. But anyway, the book itself was really cool. Like, I enjoyed it. Yeah, it was nice. Wasn't nice. It was a thriller. There was nothing really that nice about it, to be honest. But it sucked you in, and I think it was like 1 a.m. before I went to bed because I just did not want to go to bed until I found out who had done it, kind of thing, towards the end. So yeah, it was good. I enjoyed that one. And then I had a bit of a book delivery from one of my favorite secondhand book shops, which is, well, she's not really a shop front. She's an online shop. It's called Bin Chicken Books, and I'm going to link her down below because she's pretty awesome. And I got this from her site. It's Parting Words by Cass Moriarty. And I really, really, really love this book. So Cass is Queensland author, and it's actually written very much around where I live. So I recognized all the places that was spoken about. I recognized the restaurants. It was really cool, actually, and just a cool story as well. So it's a story about a family. So it's a family saga kind of thing. And the father has passed away in the very beginning, and part of the finalizing of the estate is the father has said that in his will he wants 12 letters that he's written to be delivered to these people by his children. And his children don't know who these people are, and a whole new world of their father opens up. They discover so much about him, and it's just a really cool story that it's amazing what you don't know about your parents. So I really enjoyed this one. And now I'm on to choosing a next book and getting into another book. So the thing is, I've started reading this one, The Once and Future Witches. I'm up to page 29, and I just don't think it's the book I'm in the mood for today. So the next one I thought I would pick up would be maybe Agatha Christie, or I could read a bit more of The Awakening. But I'm thinking I'm going to try Agatha Christie because I think that's maybe what I'm in the mood for. All right, so this is what I'm going to start, I think. We're going to do a little bit of reading of this one now. So I was just doing some editing and I realised I didn't say goodbye for this week's vlog, so I'm going to do that now. I'm going to say goodbye, and hopefully you've had some time to read as well this week. And yeah, tell me what you've been reading. Love to know. And if you're interested in those subscription boxes, I can vouch for the fact that it's pretty exciting to get one, and it's like getting a little gift. And you don't have to get it every month. Like I said, I get mine every 3 months. They have options on how often you want to get it, or if you want to get just a once off. I actually think it would make a really great gift if you had someone you were just stuck buying a present for, like Mother's Day is coming up. What a cool gift that would be. But anyway, that is yeah, just something that I get that I love. I'm not sponsored in any way, shape or form, but yeah, just wanted to show you what I got because it's fun opening it each time. And yeah, because this is my second box. The first book that I got was fantastic. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to the next one as well. But that's enough from me now. I will see you again next week for some more reading stuff, and on Sunday for some sewing stuff. So bye, friends.